Old City, sa Jerusalem. Doon nangyari yung second temptation. At yung third temptation, yung sinasabing the highest mountain. Saan ba yung highest mountain ng Israel? Wow, very good. Yan ang Jackie Chan. so, noong time na sinasabi, in-translate yung Bible, ang sinasabi na dito yung pinakamataas, but in the biblical narrative, in the land of Canaan and Judah, highest mountain in the land of Canaan and Judah. Yung northern part ng Israel is land of Canaan. So, at yun ang pinakamataas sa northern part ng Israel.
Visit ka talaga, Carl. Himbal.
Pero sa ngayon, puro Arab sila.